Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Shatabdi Dhar, and today I'm here to discuss with you some C programs using switch case statement. Today the topic we are going to discuss is the continuation of the programming in C using two-way and multi-way branching. In this part, we are going to solve some problems like write a C program to display spellings of number on entry, and the next program should be write a C program implementing and displaying the menu to execute, add, subtract, multiplication, division using switch case. So our first program is write a C program to display spellings of numbers on entry. So to solve the problem to print number in words or the spelling should be shown of any number, I have used switch case statement. So in this program, first I have taken two integer variables, that is n and num, and initialize the value of num with 0. The first message should be shown like that: enter any number to print in words. And through the integer variable, the value will be taken as input. Now, first we have to store the reverse of the value of n in the variable num. The logic should be like that: while n not equal to 0, num equal to num multiplication with 10 plus n modulus 10. That is, the remainder part should be taken from here and should be added with the multiplication of num and 10. After that, n equal to n by 10. Through this, we will get the reverse of n and will be stored the value in the variable num. Through this, we extract the last digit of the number and print corresponding digit in words till the number becomes 0. And the logic is while num not equal to 0, because we have to go till number becomes 0. So the condition in switch case is switch num modulus 10. That is the remainder part, or extract of last digit of the number. So case 0 is here, that is printf 0. For 0, it should be printed as 0. For case 1, it should be printed as 1, ONE1. For 2, TWO2. After that, as we use the break statement in the switch case, for 3, it should be printed as THREE. For 4, it should be printed as FOUR4. For 5, FIVE5. 6, the spelling is here. For 7, and so on up to 9. After that, num equal to num by 10. So here is the program using switch case. You can see here all the cases like case 0, case 1, case 2 for all the numbers up to n, up to 9. So I'm compiling and run it. So the output is here. Enter any number to print in words. So I want the result or the spelling of 5. Like I'm giving here 5. So the result is here 5. You can see that the spelling of the number 5 is given here like FIVE 5. From the switch case statement or using the switch case statement, we have solved the program of printing any number in words or giving the spelling of any numbers. Again, I am running this or executing this. If we give like this the value 1, 2, 3, 4, the after executing it should be look like that 1, 2, 3, 4 in spelling 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here is the output and your program is here. Okay. The next program we are going to execute is write a C program to implement and to display the menu to execute add, subtract, multiplication, division using switch case. So for this problem of having a menu driven program which is look like that press 1 for addition, press 2 for subtraction, press 3 for multiplication, press 4 for division. In the output section, when we give any choice among these, we will get our required result after having execution. So in the main function, I have declared 4 variables like A, B, C and choice. Choice is a condition here, that is choice not equal to 5. So as we are going 4 menu driven functions, that is 4 statements, that is press 1, press 2, press 3, press 4. So choice should not be 5. Then scanf choice, because the number should be taken as input through the choice. Now we are going to use that the switch function, switch statement. For the case 1, for case 1, that is if user gives the value 1, then the case 1 should be executed. Then the logic will be run like that. The printf, that is a message, enter two numbers. After giving those two numbers, it is taken as input through the variables a and b. The logic will be here, that is c equal to a plus b, and printing here the c, which is the result of the sum of a and b. After that, the break statement. In case 2, the subtraction will be done like same as the summation. In case 3, the multiplication will be done here, and for case 4, the division will be done here. And the default statement will be like that you have passed a wrong key. If you give here the value 5, then this message will be given here. And again the message will be like that, press any key to continue. So there are 4 cases, that is case 1 for summation, case 2 for subtraction, case 3 for multiplication and case 4 for division. And the default statement will give us the message like you are given or you have passed a wrong key or wrong value and press any key to continue. So here is the switch case statement. So I'm going to execute and run. Sorry, execute. So first the message is here, that is press 1 for addition, press 2 for subtraction, press 3 for multiplication, press 4 for division. So I am going to give 1. Now the message is here, enter two numbers. So I am giving here 4 and 7. Now for the addition, the result of sum of 4 and 7 is 11. Now I am going to give the choice 2 for subtraction. Enter two numbers and I am giving the numbers 9 and 6. So the result is here. The result of subtraction of 9 and 6 is 3. After that I am giving the choice 3. Enter two numbers and I am giving the numbers 4 and 5. So after multiplication, the result is here, that is 4 multiplication with 5 is 20. After that, I am giving the choice 4. Enter your choice, that is 4. Enter two numbers and here I am giving the numbers 10 and 2. So division of 10 by 2 is 5. After that, I am going to giving the choice like 5. So here is the default message that you have passed a wrong key. Press any key to continue. So here is the message which will be shown in the output like that. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4 is for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and the default value is like that. You have passed a wrong key and press any key to continue. So here is our output. I have given all the choices here and it's our program using switch case, the menu driven program using switch case of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So through this video, you have learned how to use the switch case statement. So thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.